Hey guys, I got a 2023 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. First, you're going to open the glove box, and I already took the 5 Phillips screws out, just like this. There's one right here, 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 and then on the bottom there is one right there, another one down here. Once you get those out, you're going to remove this piece right here. I've already removed it. It just pops off like that, and then you can just pull and remove the whole glove box. From there, your cabin air filter is going to be right there. You're just going to push this piece in, pull it out, and here's your cabin air filter. The arrow is pointing down. Pull it out, look at it, see if it's dirty. If it's dirty, you can blow it out with air, or you can just replace it. I will link a cheap one on Amazon in the description for you. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's really easy to get to if you know what you're doing. Most people just remove the door of the glove box, but this one you actually have to remove the whole glove box, so it kind of sucks, but that's how you do it. So to put it back together, just push that in, make sure it's nice and seated correctly. And then for this, just push all that in, put your screws in, and you're good to go.